At the WECA R&D Center, we replicate processes to provide innovative solutions and real data to industry challenges. This 6,000 square foot campus consists of a reactor and gas-fired furnace, which circulates heat transfer fluid through a continuous loop with data collection and analysis on site at our control facility. Our commitment to using real, tested data in product engineering allows us to innovate the best solutions for reactor thermometry and tube skin measurement. Our engineers work with you at our facility to start, stop, and manipulate tests without interrupting your operations. This is the latest step toward our goal of anticipating and meeting industry needs. Contact WECA to learn more.